If the generator is not running, we first need to check that the generator is turning over. If it is, then we need to check the fuel level in the tank. Before checking the fuel level, ensure the fuel float is not stuck. If the gauge reads empty or low, add fuel and retry. Next, check that there is fuel reaching the inline filters in the generator enclosure. If the generator will not start, then an engineer will need to be called out to look at the issue. If the generator is not turning over on startup and there is no buzzer sound, please check the generator remote plug is connected. This is located on the left-hand side of the generator. Then check the battery level on the generator starter battery. This is located in the front of the generator on the right-hand side. The battery level should read 11.5 volts or above. On standard units, the battery is located under the seating in the canteen room. If when starting there is a buzzer sound, the oil level needs to be checked. This should only be checked on a cold engine. Clean the dipstick and check the oil level. If the oil level is low, it can be topped up via the oil filler pipe. Do not exceed maximum indicator mark. Please ensure that the oil used is multigrade 5W40 or similar quality. If the generator does not start, then an engineer will need to be called out to look at the issue.